What should we drink to cool down our body? A glass of water? Maybe it might not help because we drink it every day. A mango lassi? Maybe it might not help. Yeah, a spicy buttermilk. It's refreshing. Let's make a spicy buttermilk today. Making a nice buttermilk, we need curd, ice cubes, green chilli, cumin seeds, ginger and some salt. First, we have to make a paste out of green chilli, cumin seeds and ginger. So I cut them into small pieces. You can use a pestle or a mixie jar to grind them coarsely. Add 7 cups of water for 1 cup of curd to get a nice buttermilk. Let's add curd, ice cubes and the paste we made into the jar. Garnish it with some jeera powder and mint leaves. Buttermilk is ready. Let me taste it. So tasty and refreshing. I can't stop drinking it. Okay, let me talk to you. Make a spicy buttermilk. Beat the heat. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you like this channel, please